Have you ever looked up at the night sky and felt a sense of permanence? A feeling that the stars are fixed in their celestial tapestry forever? But what if this cosmic peace is just an illusion? What if our entire galaxy is hurtling through the void on a collision course? The universe is not a static museum exhibit. It's dynamic, evolving, sometimes violent. Our Milky Way is an active participant, headed for a spectacular rendezvous. To understand what happens when galaxies collide, you first must know the force that orchestrates the event: gravity. It is the universe's master puppeteer. Its reach spans vast, empty chasms. When two galaxies get close, their gravitational fields begin to interact like two whirlpools merging. Imagine two spinning dancers. As they close, their movements influence each other. Spiral arms stretch. Long tendrils of stars and gas, tidal tails, are flung into space. These observed shapes are previews of our own future. Stars don't smash together, they pass like ghosts. The real chaos is in gravitational reshuffling. They swing past, recoil, and then swing back. Each pass drains momentum until they settle into a single merged system. Over hundreds of millions of years, these repeated embraces create a new, more massive galaxy. While stars rarely collide, the gas and dust within galaxies do. And that's where the fireworks begin. Huge molecular clouds slam together, creating shockwaves that compress gas into dense pockets. Those compressed pockets ignite, spawning millions of newborn stars in a starburst. The merging galaxies light up with the brilliant blue of massive, short-lived stars, a period of chaotic creation. Some mergers become ultra-luminous, consuming their gas and shining more brightly than entire galaxies. Tidal tails become factories for new star clusters, destruction creating new structure. And at the heart of each galaxy, monsters, supermassive black holes. Nearly every large galaxy hosts a central black hole millions to billions of times the mass of our sun. As galaxies merge, their central black holes begin a slow orbital dance, spiraling together under gravity and gas friction. Eventually they coalesce, releasing enormous gravitational waves, ripples in space-time that travel across the cosmos.
When galaxies merge, we witness both destruction and the engine of cosmic creation.
The merged black hole crowns the new galactic core, shaping the future evolution of the remnant galaxy. With all this galactic-scale chaos, the natural question, are we in danger? The space between stars is mind-boggling. Direct star-to-star collisions are astronomically unlikely. Galaxies mostly pass through each other. Stars glide past like ghosts. Our solar system will likely survive intact from direct collisions. But the larger danger is gravitational reshuffling. Our sun's orbit could be flung into a new path. We could be tossed outward or slung closer to the new core. Our cosmic address will change. The night sky will be unrecognizable. Andromeda's stars will mingle with our own, rewriting familiar constellations. So while Earth itself is likely safe from impact, life will witness an awe-inspiring and profound celestial transformation. Our nearest major neighbor, Andromeda, sits about 2.5 million light-years away. And it's rushing toward us. It's moving at roughly 250,000 miles per hour, fast enough to travel to the moon in about an hour. Thanks to precise Hubble measurements of stellar motions, astronomers now know the collision is unavoidable, a head-on meeting. The first pass begins in about 4 to 5 billion years, then pulls back, then returns, a slow cosmic embrace. In the end, the two spirals will be scrambled into a single colossal elliptical. Some call it Milkomeda, the galaxy that will be our future home. Galaxies collide, not to destroy, but to reforge. Chaos that births beauty on the grandest scale. We live in a universe that remakes itself, an endless story of endings and beginnings. If this glimpse into cosmic destiny moved you, subscribe. There's more to discover. Until then, look up. You are watching your galaxy dance toward a future we can now, for the first time, understand.